The CLA45s is now over a year old, so here's everything we've done so far with the car here on ABAUTO, along with some exciting plans for 2023. Okay, so the first thing we started off with was an epic collection of the car. It looked absolutely stunning when I pulled the cover off, and I felt like the luckiest person in the world. The next day I filmed my wife and my daughter's reaction to the car, and we went on our first drive. Are you excited, Amelia? Yeah? Yeah. Which drive mode do you want? Sport Plus? Oh, nice. We can't go in Sport Plus, the engine's not running yet. Then day 3 was my first drive to work. Now I'll admit I've never been so excited to get out of bed and drive to work. Then I made a video of a full detailed tour of the amazing interior of the car. Now it was time for the first wash of the car's factory matte style paint. Now I've never owned a matte car before, so it was really interesting washing it for the first time and testing out all these new matte specific products. We filmed an epic cinematic video of the whole process. Then I made a full video giving a tour of the incredible outside of the car. And still now, a year later, I can't stop looking over my shoulder as I walk away from the car. It just looks so good from every angle. It was now time to get some security fitted to the car. I took the car to the guys at CBS Automotive and we filmed a full installation of a front and rear dash cam setup. What's unique about this setup is it's hooked up to its own external battery, and it also has its own SIM card. This means while the car's parked, the camera keeps recording, and if there's any impacts detected, it's going to send notifications directly to my phone. The SIM card allows me to hook up to it anytime via my phone. I can even watch the cameras live. It really is an incredible bit of kit. We finally hit 1,000 miles in the car, the engine was nicely ran in, and we were able to experience race mode for the first time. I filmed a real-time first-time experience and my reaction to race mode, and well, it was epic. Right, ready for race mode? Oh shit, I can't see anything, it's too sunny. The more and more I drove this car, the more I fell in love. After a great reaction from the race mode video, I decided to film another, but this time a POV perspective. But to make things even more interesting in this video, I took the car down some icy winter country roads. Then we did another video and tested out the car in full manual mode using the paddle shifters. And I gotta say guys, manual mode is so fun in this car. So you guys were loving all the drive videos and I had lots of requests for a night drive, so that's exactly what we did next. After lots of driving videos, it was time to get back to some more informative content, so I did a collab with Nick O'Leary. This was my first time working with another YouTuber, and well, Nick was fantastic. He created a video of 10 AMG tricks aimed directly for me to test in my CLA45s. After Nick's video landed, I created part 2 and tested out all his tips and tricks with my car. This was lots of fun, and together the two videos are packed with some great information for anyone that's just purchased or is thinking about purchasing a new AMG. Next up, it was time to explore more things that the car was capable of, and I picked up a little box called the DigiDash. I used this box to stream Netflix live in the car right on the big MBUX screen. The more I drove the CLA45s, the more I started to appreciate just how good the M139 engine was, despite only being 4 cylinders. In fact, at this time it was the world's most powerful 4-cylinder production engine, so I just had to make a video on this and break down how it worked and why it was so powerful and such a good engine. I finally decided that the paint on the CLA45s needed some proper protection, so I got a ceramic coating. Just look how incredible the car looked when it was finished. Now, one of the best things about a ceramic coating is it makes cleaning the car so much easier. So I filmed my first wash with the coating to see if it lived up to the hype. And the coating was amazing. It was such a pleasure to wash the car. Well, even if my daughter did spot some bits I missed. So how's the car looking, Amelia?
Good.
Yeah. Who helped wash the wheels?
Me.
Yeah. And look, it's all nice round here. Do you want to see the back?
Yeah. You already did these bits. I'm not what?
Oh no, don't show that on the camera. We missed the spot. Quick, round this side. Wow, look how clean it looks. Is it clean?
Oh no.
That's just a bit of dust from the, oh gosh, she's a proper critic, this one. That's okay. It's just a little bit of dust from our drying towel, a few bits of fibre. But if you come back here, look, if we come all the way back here and we look at the car from here, how does it look? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm happy to say though, guys, it's still sheeting and beading just as good as the day it got coated. I've been getting lots of requests to test the mile per gallon and the comfort in the car, so I decided to film a full mile per gallon test. And to make things a bit more fun, we filmed a family trip to Legoland with my wife, my daughter and my cousin. Where are we going, Amelia?
To Legoland!
Yay! Legoland!
Can I go in Sport Plus, Daddy?
Yeah, sure, we can go in Sport Plus. Do you want to go in Sport Plus, Sophie?
Oh my gosh, he's so proud right now.
Let's go in Sport Plus.
Oh,
Sport Plus?
not Mummy's favourite.
Okay, it's been another 10 minutes, so let's see how we're doing with the mile per gallon. Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
what's my mile per gallon?
The average consumption since start adds up to 35.3 miles per gallon. Since reset, 22.6 miles per gallon.
Another highly requested video was a head-to-head between the CLA45s and my C43. So I made an epic video comparing the two, scoring the two cars up against each other in a number of categories. Now, the CLA45s was the clear winner here, but the C43 is still an incredible car. Following you guys and what you were asking for, I then made another highly requested video and did a full review on the Burmeister Sound system in the car. We tested absolutely everything on the system and I gave my own personal thoughts. We're going to listen together and then at the end I'm going to give you my own views on how I think this system sounds. Next up I think is probably one of the most fun videos I've filmed all year. I had a full AMG driving masterclass at Mercedes-Benz World in the 45S. We filmed the entire experience where we did everything from launch control. Oh yeah. Off the brake. Oh my god.
So you can see that's where you get your sense.
That is insane.
It's pretty quick.
Can we do it again?
Yeah,
Brake tests, drifting, and I even got to sit in the passenger seat while a professional race driver took me for some hot laps. This video was an absolute blast and it really showed off the car and just how incredible all the dynamics and systems are. Then it was time to make some more informative videos for you guys. I found a way to install speed camera alerts directly into the Mercedes-Benz sat-nav using a simple USB stick and created a video talking you all through the full process. This is a great little trick and it was great to see so many people in the comments section so pleased to get this set up on their cars. Next up, I had a new security system fitted to my car called Ghost. Now, I cannot recommend Ghost enough to anyone if you own a nice car. It's a simple system that adds a secret password to the car that you have to enter before pressing the start button. If you don't enter the password, the car will not start. And to make this video more fun, I gave the keys to my wife and challenged her to see if she could start the car just to test how good Ghost is. The video is so much fun, but it's also really informative if you've not heard of Ghost before. Then it was time for my car's first birthday and it became a year old. And this meant it was due for its first service, and I thought this would be really interesting for everyone to see a full behind the scenes of exactly what happens at an AMG's first service. So with special thanks to the amazing team at LSH Auto Mercedes-Benz of Stockport, I was allowed to film an epic video of my car's first service. Then we ended the year with another highly requested video from many of you guys, and that was how I've been getting on with the AMG performance seats. I made a full detailed video all about the seats and shared my full review daily driving them for over a year. I even filmed an on the spot mini review after a 3-hour drive to give my full authentic thoughts. And that was it. That's the highlights for my first full year with this incredible car. I just wanted to say a huge thank you for everyone that's been following my journey with the CLA45s. It's been an absolute pleasure to share it all with you, and I'm so thankful and blessed. I love talking to you all in the comments, and you guys have been so involved in all the videos that we've done together this year. And guys, I have so many exciting things planned for 2023, and I want you all to be a huge part of it. The thing I'm most excited about is modifying the exhaust on the CLA45s. I recently made a video covering the stock exhaust, so it's now time to see what we can do to get it sounding a bit more beefier and just more like it should from the factory. I also have lots of big surprises in the works for 2023 and lots of general Mercedes-Benz tips, tricks and videos, all the stuff you guys love. I just can't wait to share it with you all. Making these videos honestly means the world to me, and I'm so thankful for everyone helping the channel grow in 2022, and I'm so excited to see what we can do in 2023. So thank you all again, and I wish you all a happy and amazing new year. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you next time.